Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the AUXITO 2Pcs Best Turbo H7 LED bulbs with fan CSP chip high power 100W 20,000 LM. If you're tired of the dim and yellowish light from your stock halogen bulbs, then these LED bulbs are about to change your driving experience for the better. These bad boys are designed to provide a whopping 400% increase in brightness compared to your old halogen bulbs. With a powerful 100W and 20,000 LM output, you'll be amazed at the difference these bulbs make in terms of visibility and safety on the road. But wait, it gets even better. The turbo design of these bulbs ensures that there's no noise or radio interference, so you can enjoy a smooth and quiet ride while still getting that intense light output. And with a 360-degree lighting angle, you won't have to worry about dark spots or shadows impairing your vision. Installation is a breeze, too. With no polarity and a plug-and-play design, you can easily upgrade your headlights in just a few minutes. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, you can have peace of mind knowing that these bulbs are built to last. Whether you're driving in clear conditions or braving the elements, these bulbs are up for the challenge. With IP67 waterproofing and a 12,000 RPM cooling fan, these bulbs perform well in all weather conditions, ensuring that you have reliable and consistent lighting no matter where your journey takes you. So, if you're ready to take your car's lighting game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the AUXITO 2Pcs Best Turbo H7 LED bulbs with fan CSP chip. Click the link in the description to get your hands on a set of these game-changing bulbs and see the road in a whole new light. Don't settle for dim and outdated lighting, upgrade to AUXITO and make every drive an illuminating experience. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome reviews and product highlights.